Hi there, my name is Ed Miles. We've come down here today to Motors Commercial's Avonmouth with our XFC to demonstrate to you. Hi there, my name is Ed Miles. We've come down here today to Motors Commercial's Avonmouth with our XFC to demonstrate to you how easy it is to integrate the body signals and warnings to benefit you and your drivers. So with the introduction of the new generation range, we've introduced a whole host of different application connectors. These application connectors allow the truck chassis to talk to the body and integrate seamlessly with the body warnings and signals. So from a bodybuilder perspective, there's a real opportunity for cost saving, simply due to the fact that it cuts down the amount of wiring and labour needed to set the vehicle up to integrate with the chassis. From a customer perspective, having a repeatable and consistent application connector across the range of vehicles allows for all the alerts, all the warnings to be the same for all the drivers in your operation. So there's some real benefits to the driver too. All of the information about the body, be it alerts or warnings, are plumbed straight into the digital instrument panel or DIP. It'll tell you whether your body's raised or lowered, tailgate open or shut, and all it needs is a simple glance. So why should I want to know about application connectors? It's a very good question. Well, these application connectors really assist the bodybuilder and the customer. So today we're going to show you just how easy it is and the different possibilities for you and your vehicle. Here we can see Ian wiring the body signals 1 and 2 into the A212 connector. So here we can see Ian locating the A212 connector, which is clearly labelled and located on the near side of the chassis. Here we can see Ian removing the 2 blanks. Behind the blanks is the plug. Pulling out the plug, it's then plugged into the back of the switch, and this can be programmed via Davy. There's a multitude of different configurations we can accommodate for, with a whole host of different switches to suit your operation. Ian's now going to demonstrate how to program the tailgate open warning. First we select the type of warning we want displayed on the DIP. In this instance, for the tailgate, we've chosen a single chime with a suppressible warning. Moving on, you can select a pictogram that best represents the warning you want to display. In this instance, we've gone for the diverging flap release. This is then followed by a colour selection. For the tailgate, we've chosen the text string to display as open. There are additional text strings to suit a multitude of different applications. Following on from the text string, you can select an optional trigger condition should you require. Once you've finished the configuration, click Next to show a summary. Finally, to confirm your settings, click the green tick to program the ECU. This process is the same for most body signals and warnings. So, this is a view of what the driver will see when operating the body on the rear. First, we're going to open the tailgate. And there we go, the telltale to say that the tailgate is open. At this point, we will raise the revs and lift the body. And you'll see that the telltale has changed, indicating that the tipping body is not secure and the tailgate is still open. And there we go, the body is now lowered into its secure position and the tailgate is now closed. So, depending on your operation, we can configure the body signals and warnings to suit. So you'll see in this instance there was 1 chime and the warning can be suppressed. Same with the body. They still, however, leave the telltales at the bottom. We will now lower the body, with the telltale disappearing, and the tailgate, once it finishes its closing procedure, will also disappear. So should your operation require it, we can configure the body signals and warnings to be suppressible. I'll show you now. The tipping body is now raised, however I don't want to hear the audible alert and the tailgate is now open. I can simply press this switch and the warnings are gone. Now I'm going to lower everything. We see the telltale on the screen disappear for the tipping body, and then once the tailgate's finished its procedure, that telltale will disappear too. So it really just shows the breadth of operations we can configure for on body signals and warnings on the DAF. Hopefully today we've shown you just how easy and efficient it is to integrate the body signals and warnings through the DIP. Not only is it effective, it's cost efficient, but it also helps get vehicles out on the road in a timely and efficient manner. If you'd like to find out more, head to your local DAF dealer for more information.